In this video I will show you how you can turn your iPhone or iPad into a super precise 3D scanner and then use a 3D printer to duplicate almost every object you want. I'm 3D printing a lot of things, but the design process takes a lot of measuring, calculating and time. So a 3D scanner would come in handy, but they're either really expensive or too complex that it would be easier to just manually design them. And this is where my iPad comes into place. It has a Face ID camera which works by projecting tiny dots on my face and then uses the distance between these dots to calculate an extreme precise model of me. I found a software that uses this feature to make high quality 3D scans. The only problem is that it only works with the front facing camera, which makes it almost impossible to scan anything else than my face. So I designed a mirror mount that reflects the projected dots 90 degrees and made some handles for my iPad to make the whole process way more easy. If you want to make one too, I published all the files you need on my Thingiverse for free. You only need an iPhone or iPad with a Face ID camera and a 3D printer. And now I'll show you some of the things that I scanned and printed. I actually used the scanner for some of my upcoming projects, so if you don't want to miss out on anything, please consider subscribing. There are a couple ways on how you can use the scanner. You could scan things and print them out right away to make an exact copy of the object. Or you can scan something and scale it down to make a scale object. For example, I had a friend scan me. After that, I cleaned up the model using Autodesk Fusion 360 and Autodesk Meshmaker. I printed the model in a super fine quality with a 0.2mm nozzle with 1.2mm layer height, and I'm really happy on how it turned out. If you like this video, you might be interested in my last video, where I made my own 3D printed bladeless fan. Thanks for watching. Bye.